Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a weighted grade column in your grade center. First we're going to go into our grade center, and before you create a weighted total column, it's best to make sure that all of your columns and all of your items are in categories, because that'll help with splitting up the percentages and how you would like to weight them. So to do this, to make sure that all of your items are in categories, we're first going to go into the Manage tab and then into Column Organization. And you can see here that we have a couple of different items. You can pick all of the items that you want in one category and then go to this drop-down menu here, Change Category To, and then choose what you want them in. Since those were tests, we'll go ahead and put them in the test category. And you should be able to see here under the category section that they were changed to test. And then we're going to click submit. And now we would go in and edit our weighted total column. If you don't already have a weighted total column, you would just create one from the Create Calculated Column tab and then Weighted Column. But since I have one, I'll just be editing this one by clicking the gray drop-down menu next to the column name and then clicking Edit Column Information. Once you've named your column and added a description if you needed to, you're going to make percentage your primary display. And then here is where you're going to pick what columns or what categories you would like to add in, and then what percentage you would like to give, the weight you would like to give each category. So we pretty much have this all set up here. We're just going to go ahead and add in our last category, the one we just created, which is tests. And you can see which items are under the category as well. And you're going to want to make sure that all of the categories you pick equal out to 100%. So we're going to go ahead and give this a weight, for example. And that should get recalculated. You're also going to pick a couple of different options that you can change. We're going to want to keep calculate as a running total on yes, because if we were to choose no, it would include all of the items that the students haven't submitted yet, or that they haven't gotten a grade for yet, and then it would give them a value of a 0. So their grade would be lower than it actually is. And then we're going to go ahead and hit submit. And now, since I don't have any grades set in for the students, you can't really see it. But if I was to give the student a grade, let's say an 80, we'll be able to see what else, what their weighted total looks like. And since the student looks like they already have some grades set in, and there we can see the different weighted columns. And of course it would change as you added more grades in. And you can watch the percentages change. And that is how you create a weighted total column in your grade center.